Let's go through these tools listed on the side here. We'll start with check deposit. This can be used to take pictures of a physical paper check you have in order to deposit it virtually into a checking account. So we'll select deposit a check. On the top, we'll select which account it's going to. We'll list the amount that's printed on the check, take a picture of the front of the check, and on the back, we'll endorse it like normal, but also add for mobile deposit only under the endorsement signature, and then click submit.
The next feature on our list here is the Debit On Off. If your debit card is ever lost or stolen, you would use this feature to turn off your debit card. You'll simply find which card you have, if you have more than one listed, especially if it's a joint account. You'll find which card. It'll display the last 4 digits of each card you have. You'll click on the 3 dots and click Disable Card. If you find your card or locate it, you can always log back in and you can re-enable it once you've found your card.
Our next feature listed is stop payment. This can be used to put a stop on a single check. For example, if you lost a payment in the mail, you'll be able to select which account it's coming from and keep in mind that there will be a $25 fee.
The next feature we have is credit cards. This is where you can go to service your Heritage credit card through our third party, PSCU.
You can register for e-statements by selecting this feature. The first time you select it, you'll have to accept the terms. Once you do, you'll have a screen generated that looks like this. Going forward, your e-statements will go forward, not backwards. So for example, if we sign up in May, we won't be able to receive April's statement, but if you need any from the past, just give us a call.
Okay, so now we'll move along to the transfer money section. At the top here, you'll see the transfers option. If you click on that, there's a button here, funds. So this transfers section is specifically used to allow you to transfer money within your account. So between the different shares and loans that you have, you can transfer money back and forth. So you'll see when you open up this page, the first part asks you to select where to transfer the money from, and then it asks you where to transfer the money to. This is a great way to set up automatic loan payments. For example, we can select that we want the money to come from the checking account and we want it to go to our home equity line of credit loan. You can enter in the amount that you need transferred or the loan payment in this case. You can select the date. And we also have the ability in the system to change the frequency. So you can make a one-time transfer or loan payment, or you can actually set this up to be reoccurring. Most of our loan payments are monthly, so you can select monthly if you want this to be an automatic loan payment.
So for external transfers, this tool helps you link your account with Heritage to your account at another bank or credit union, letting you pull money from or send money to your account elsewhere. For this example, we'll pretend you'll have an account with Chase Bank, but you can do it with any financial institution. There are 3 steps to linking your account with Chase. Number 1 would be to add the account here using your account and routing number with Chase. Number 2, Heritage will need to verify that you have access to this account. So we will deposit 2 small amounts into your account with Chase, both being under $1. Step 3 would be going to your account with Chase, identifying those amounts, and come back to your Heritage online banking and notate how much those deposits were. Then you're done.
The next feature we have here is Pay a Friend. This allows you to send funds to anyone with a mobile phone or email address. Under the Payee section, you can keep a list of contacts. To initiate a payment, select Make a Payment. Here, you can enter the amount you wish to send and set up a security question and answer. This will go to the recipient. The funds will only be transferred if the recipient answers the security question correctly. Once they answer the question correctly, they will be prompted to enter their own account information in order to receive the funds.
So the next feature, Pay a Member, can be used to transfer funds from your account to another account number at Heritage, which can have your name on it or be a family and friends account. You would select at the top, Make a Payment, and you would choose which share of yours you want it to pull from, include their last name, and an account ID just specifies which share under their account number. So, for example, the most common ID for a savings account would be 00, our prime share savings, or for a checking account, it's typically 70, but these can differ. So, give us a call for clarification when necessary.
The next section we have here, and the last one in transfer money, is pay bills. This is a really cool feature that allows you to pay your bills through the app. You can schedule your bill payments, and Heritage on our end will either electronically send your payment for you, or we will write a traditional check and mail it to the business on behalf of you and your bill.
So, final feature on the bottom here, we can choose to open a deposit account or apply for a loan.